Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a general reading for the rest of the month of December, and also we'll take a peek into January energies as well. So this is going to be for the next month from December to January. So let's see what's coming up for you in your general life, love life, whatever messages show up, we'll take that. Aries, please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Aries out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, moon or Venus sign, for those videos could have additional information for you. And I would also like to thank all of you for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting on my channel. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. It helps me grow as a reader. It helps me post more videos for you. So please do subscribe, please do like, please do comment. And let's see what's coming up for you for the next year. Let me see what's the overall energy going to be. What's going to be the most prominent energy for you in the coming year, January to December 2022. I think I should do a specific special reading for the next year for all signs. So Aries, Chariot flipped for you. Chariot is about success. Chariot is about rushing in a particular direction, making choices. So I see, and this is the most dominant energy for you for the coming year. So I see a lot of success for you coming in for you. I see you traveling also. A lot of you could be traveling in the next year. I also see you making a lot of choices. There could be a lot of decisions that you're making, a lot of success coming your way. So I see this is a good energy to have. You're going to be on the move, I think, in the month of in the year of 2022, and yeah, that's what I see for you. Cancer could be also of prominence to you in some way. Okay, this could also be somebody coming towards you in the next year. So yeah, that's just the one card. We will now see what's the messages coming for you for the next month from December to January in your general life. So you've got the 7 of Cups that came up, 10 of Swords, Page of Swords. This is your past energy. Let me see what's the present energy for you. You've got the 7 of Swords, you've got the Devil, and you've got the 9 of Wands. And let's see what's your future energy for you. You've got the High Priestess, you've got the 2 of Pentacles, and you've got the 4 of Pentacles. Let's see the overall energy for you for the next month, for the coming month. You've got the Page of Pentacles. So Aries, what I see for you is in your past energy, I see you struggling with some choice or multiple choices, actually not being clear, because you have a lot of choices. You need to make a decision. Maybe you're not sure which option is the best for you, but there was some ending here that you're trying to get over, or this could be something that's coming to an end. Maybe it could be this indecisiveness, this lack of clarity that's coming to an end, or something that happened which brought a lot of clarity to you, because till about this energy is all about not knowing, not being sure, not being clear in some choice that you have to make. And suddenly something came to an end which brought a lot of clarity to you. Like you realize that oh, I put so much energy trying to make a decision, but now suddenly the universe itself is bringing an end to something here, which is in some way bringing some clarity to you. Clarity and truth is coming out. You know, your illusions are breaking in the next coming month. So this is also that, having a lot of illusions about things. So there's some clarity, truth. There's a breaking of illusions. Suddenly, you know, something is coming to light for you here. And there is a brand new beginning here in terms of communication, someone reaching out to you, communicating to you. Page of Swords is also about stalking. So this could be somebody who who's keeping an eye on you on social media, or maybe this could be you keeping an eye on someone, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, just to kind of see what they're up to, what's happening with this person. Now in the present energy, again I see the Seven of Swords energy, which is again something about deception, not being completely honest, somebody trying to get away with something. There is this Devil, again, the toxicity connected to this person, or maybe this could be your energy, like you're not able to let go of something. You know, because you are so scared, you're so defensive. So either you are defending yourself from this toxic person who's trying to come into your life, but this person is very, you know, is not completely honest with you. So just be careful. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, does not have to be. It could be also Capricorn, but you do realize, you see this person for what they are, okay? They could have ghosted you in the past. They come in suddenly pretending like nothing ever happened, like they never ghosted you, and you know, that kind of a manipulative energy. Somebody kind of sneaks away when things get too close, or this could be somebody trying to take credit away from your work, trying to lure you and tempt you into things which are so not right, and you know it. So you kind of see this person as somebody you need to be careful about, and that's what you're doing. You have your guards up here. You are trying to protect, because this person has hurt you in the past, and it could be the same person who you had this ending with. And this could be in work, or this could be in your love life, you know, either way. But there is somebody here you are very on guard about, okay? Now in the future, I see you having the High Priestess, the Two of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. So in the coming month also, I see you being very quiet, very withdrawn, maybe in a way, trying to be more intuitive, trying to listen to your intuition, not exactly opening up completely. You could also be looking at more tarot videos like these, or you could be consulting astrologers, tarot readers, because you have a choice to make. You're not very sure about what that choice is or what decision you should make. So you are not in balance there, okay? There's some choice that you're struggling to make here. So you're trying to bring a balance by looking at these tarot readings maybe, or trying to make a decision in some way, but I don't see you doing that in the next month. You're holding back on making some kind of a decision here, okay? But overall energy, I see you have the Page of Pentacles. Work looks good for a lot of you. There is a brand new beginning when it comes to work and money. Okay, there are new beginnings there, but let's see. Some of you could also be holding back on your money. There could be some work opportunity, or maybe multiple opportunities that you're trying to juggle. So let me clarify. What is the Seven of Cups about in your past energy? What is this lack of clarity? Yeah, something here that is a burden. Maybe this choice that you have to make is coming up as a very heavy energy, because you're not able to decide on something, okay? It's kind of a huge responsibility, and you are looking at making a choice, but there's a lack of clarity there in some way. Why is this Ten of Swords here? Yeah, Six of Wands, sorry. So this could be somebody who is in the public eye, who kind of betrayed you in some way, or this could be you being recognized for having put an end to something that was not right for you. Okay, take how it resonates, but I think this is more about this person, some external person who is who is in the public eye so respected and looked up at, but in reality you feel hurt by this person because they kind of betrayed you in some way. You feel betrayed because of this person. This could also be somebody taking credit for your work, and the work is put in by you, but this person somehow got all the recognition and you feel betrayed because of what this person has done to you. This could be somebody who is your boss, and they take away, or your colleague, maybe somebody who kind of took away your credit. They took credit for the work that you've done, and in the end they left you with nothing, and this person took away all that fame from you. So why is this Page of Swords here? The Emperor, yeah. Somebody is keeping an eye on you. This could be your boss again, somebody in very high authority. So be careful of how you come up as, because somebody has an eye on you, okay? This person is somebody in a very high position. Like I said, can be your boss. Maybe they are trying to keep an eye on what you're doing at work, trying to just see what you're up to. So just be careful of that. Why is the Seven of Swords here? Ace of Pentacles. So there could be a new beginning coming into you, towards you, which looks very good, looks very stable, looks very abundant, looks like it's going to bring in a lot of money for you. But just be careful, because it's not what it looks. Okay, it's somebody trying to either disguise this as an Ace of Pentacles and trying to steal from you. So just be careful when it comes to your money or anything that looks very shiny and lucrative on the outside. Just do your research, because it may not be how it looks. Why is the Devil here for Aries? Yeah, the Lovers. So you will have a choice to make. This could be a love situation, or this could be again a partnership, a friendship. Something is very toxic around or about this connection, okay? So you need to be careful again, because maybe there's a lot of codependency issues. Could also be somebody's addicted here to you, or you could be addicted to somebody. So just be careful about that. Nine of Wands. So yeah, you are being careful. You are waiting for something to be revealed here, okay? I feel you're waiting, you're trying to uh, kind of bring something up here, but at the same time you're protecting yourself, you're guarding yourself from something here. I think you will get answers for whatever it is that you're trying to seek. You're protecting yourself because you want to be careful, but whatever you're protecting yourself from, it's going to reveal itself. The true nature of whatever that person is. Maybe you're protecting yourself right now because you're not sure as to if you can trust this person or not, but whatever this is, that is going to be revealed to you very quickly. Why is the High Priestess here for Aries? Three of Cups. So yeah, you are not maybe even in touch with your friends. You're not getting out there. Maybe you're just being quiet. Your friends are even wondering maybe that where you've gone, where you've disappeared. So you're taking a break from your friends, from the social circle. There's something here, like I said, you're juggling with. You're trying to balance your energies, but the universe here is saying that nothing is in your control, okay? Things are just going to flow. You will have to just go with the flow, and the more you go with the flow, the better. So there's some communication coming in for you here, and some movement happening in your life, which is going to make you feel a bit unbalanced. But like I said, it's something that you may, the more you try to control, that's why you feel imbalanced. So let go of that control, and maybe things will come in balance once you do that. Four of Pentacles and the Justice here. So if you've been feeling quite a bit hard on money, like you don't have enough, or you're trying to save up on money, there's some money coming in from the legal system. Maybe you're expecting some money in some lawsuit, and if you are, I think you're going to get some positive news with regards to that. But there's some money coming in. Maybe your IT income tax is going to refund you, or there's something from the government that's going to come in money wise. So you will not feel that pinch anymore. You'll be rewarded in some way. There'll be some compensation from the law that is coming in for you, okay, or through the law that's coming in for you. So there's some money coming in maybe for a lot of you. Why is the Page of Pentacles here? Start of a new beginning. Yeah, Queen of Wands. So you're taking your power back because there's something here that's coming in that's good for you, a message or a new beginning, money wise, career wise, something very stable coming in for you, which is going to put you in a very powerful position, in a very dominant position. Okay, so a lot to look forward to, Aries. For the next month at least. So let's just see additional information, messages for you. Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles again, and the Two of Wands. So it looks like money is very dominant for you in the coming month, okay? Because you feel a lack of something here. You feel like not having enough money, left out in the cold. That's why you're holding back on your money, maybe because you feel you don't have enough. But there's some decision here that you're trying to make, maybe of other opportunities outside of what you're working. Maybe you're trying to see if there are other opportunities for you. Yeah, so I see a new beginning for you in love that's coming up, while uh, you could be traveling in the next month or coming months, and that's also bringing in a new opportunity, a new beginning for you in love. Or this could be a new opportunity that you love doing, but this is more about a love situation. So I see a new beginning for a lot of you with regards to love, okay? Mostly this could be something that's not in your vicinity, something a little farther, maybe a long distance connection. So this is something that a burden that you're carrying. This is something, I think, internal, like you feel that you're not having enough, you're not doing enough. But that cycle is coming to an end here, okay? You are asked to let go of some burdens here so that you can move towards being more abundant, because there is the sun coming up here. There is a lot of happiness coming up here for you, even though you feel that you don't have enough. There is something here that's going to be revealed to you, some clarity coming in for you, some abundance coming in for you. So you will not feel like the Four of Pentacles anymore, okay? And there's also this new beginning in love for a lot of you. So Aries, this is what I have for you. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and please do subscribe to my channel. And let me know if this resonated with you. And I will see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care, guys. Bye.